Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix banner menu problem WIX. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your banner menu here in WIX, there are going to be a few things that you can do here to probably solve those issues. Now, each issue is going to be unique, whether you experience a problem with your scrolling effects here, the menus that you see here, there are going to be different steps that you need to do here. So, first is if you're having problems with your scrolling here, as you can see, whenever you scroll something on your website here, it might interact differently. So just an idea, in my website, whenever I try scrolling down here, it's going to actually leave the banner or the menu banner here at the very top. It's just going to retain the text here because I have this in a very specific format here. So what we need to do is we need to select our banner here, or menu banner, and from then on you want to go and click on the option for the header scroll settings, and you could choose whatever option you want. So we have fade out, disappears, freeze, so you could choose whatever. So if I choose disappears here, this will totally disappear from my website. Let's go and click on preview, just to give you an idea. So I'm just scroll down a bit here, it's going to totally disappear, as you can see right now. Sometimes it's going to be quite buggy. So in those cases, I would recommend you to start from scratch here, especially if there are going to be problems with your header. But if you can salvage this, you could go ahead and still use it. Let's go back to our editor here. So just to idea again, I'm going to switch over to a different one that actually matches with the current design I have right now on my website. So I'm going to click on change header design. You want to click on the gear icon here. You want to go to freeze, and whenever I click on preview here, it's now going to stay put and it's going to not cause any problems on my website. So you can click on back to editor here. So what if, like, for example, one of the pages here is not appearing in your horizontal menu? So how do you actually manage that? So you want to go and click on your horizontal menu here. You want to go and click on manage menu. And in here, you'll actually have the option to show and hide a few things. So for example, if you want to hide the support page here, you go and click on the three-dotted option, and you can go and just click on hide from menu. So it's going to be now hidden. If you want to show a specific page here, go and click on three-dotted option here, and you can go ahead and click on show menu, and the my now is now present, which is something really handy here, especially if you want to focus on those specific pages. So yeah, so basically the things that you do here on the default WIX editor is quite limited because everything is pre-made for you. But if you still want to change a few things like color, you can go and click on the change header design here, change the fill color opacity, the borders, the corners, the shadows, and whatever here. But if you're using the in this case, the pro version of WIX here, which is the developer version for WIX, which is WIX Studio, it's going to be a lot different than this one. So there are going to be a few things you do. But for WIX itself only, this is how you fix those basic issues. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenab. Thank you for watching.